Hi Kevin, this will be a short video because it's only the one question, number two, that I want to go over with you. It's starting with a diagram where the problem lies, and so if I can draw you a better diagram and show you what they're describing in the question, I think that might make it a little bit easier for you. Um, when they talk about the two boys and they're standing 40 feet apart, then the triangle should look like this because they're both standing on the same side of the tower and they're looking up at the tower. And so I don't know if I mentioned this before, but every time that they mention an angle in a word problem, they're always talking about an angle with the horizontal down here. You can never be given in the question an angle with a vertical line. So it doesn't matter what they call it. They'll call it things like angle of inclination, angle of depression, angle of elevation. They have a whole bunch of words for it. It always means an angle with the horizontal. And so you can always go down to this line down here and fill in the angles according to that. And so if the two angles were 44 and 46, I don't have the question in front of me, so I'm just going to use your numbers here and hope that they're right. And we don't know this distance x that the first boy is standing away from the tower, then your triangle is going to look like this, okay? And so if you're being asked to find the height of the tower, in this case, then you're going to have to do it as a two-step problem. You're still going to use tan, but you're going to start with a tan of 46 equals h over x, so h is going to be x times the tan of 46, which is pretty close to 1. So almost h equals x. I just don't have the exact tan of 46 here. And then you're going to say tan of 44 equals h over 40 plus x. And we already know that x can be written in terms of h from this part, and then you're going to solve for h there. Okay, so this one's a little bit more complicated, and just starting off with the wrong diagram is a little bit of a problem. The reason they tell you that both boys are 6 feet tall is so that you know that their eye level when they're looking up is exactly at, they're exactly horizontal, they're on the same plane. And so you know that you're dealing with a horizontal line there, okay? Otherwise, you did a great job on 1, you did a great job on 3. Question 4 was kind of dumb, so I took that out, and you seem to be doing quite well on this unit, so keep up the good work.